Look at this triangle. Look at the angles. What kind of angles are these?
Acute angles.
Acute angles. What kind of triangle do we call this?
Equilateral triangle.
Equilateral triangle. What do we call this?
The sides.
The sides. All the sides together?
The perimeter.
The perimeter. And what about here?
The surface or area.
The surface or area. Now, if I make my triangle to stand like this, let me put the triangle here. If I make it to stand like this, okay. Oops. Leave it. If I make my triangle to stand like this part where it's standing, we call that the base.
The base.
Yes, this is the base. Now let me get a plumb line. I'll look for the highest point. Can you show me the highest point of the triangle? Yes, that's the highest point. Now if we have a vertical line from the highest point right down to the base, we call this the height.
The height.
Yes, from the highest point, you see, that's it. The vertical line from the highest point to the base, we call this the height. This is the height of this triangle.
The height.
Yes, that is the height. Okay. So, show me the base.
The base.
Show me the height.
The height.
Yes, the vertical line from the highest point to the base is the height. Show me the area.
The area or the surface.
Good. Show me the perimeter.
The perimeter.
Show me the side.
The side.
Show me another side.
Another side.
Show me the base.
The base.
I'll show you how we write perimeter. Perimeter. And touch the perimeter.
Perimeter.
Good. Perimeter. Read this.
Base.
Show me the base.
The base.
Read this.
Area.
Show me the area.
The area or the surface.
The area of the surface. Read it.
Height.
Show me the height. A vertical line from the highest point to the base.
Yes.
Can you see the height?
Yes.
We have another triangle here. What kind of triangle is this?
Right angle isosceles triangle.
This is not isosceles.
Scaling.
Can you see the sides? All the sides, are they the same?
No.
Can we see two sides that are the same?
No.
What can you say about the sides of this triangle?
All the sides are different.
They are all different. So we call it a scaling triangle.
Yes.
What kind of angle do we have here?
Right angle.
Right angle. So let's use the measuring angle to see. Right angle. Correct. We have a right angle here. So this is actually a right angled scaling triangle.
Right angle scaling triangle.
Yes, it's a right angle scaling triangle. What do you call all the sides together?
Perimeter.
What do you call this one?
Surface or area.
Surface on the area. Okay. Suppose I make it to stand this way. What do we call this part that is on the table?
The base.
The base. Show me the highest point.
This is the highest point.
Where do you think the height will be? Let's see. Get a measuring line. A plumb line rather. Get a plumb line and for the highest point. Show me the highest point again.
Highest point.
Okay. So vertical line from the highest point to the base. You see where the height is?
Yes.
Show me where the height is.
This is the height.
Yes. Vertical line from the highest point to the base. That's the height of this triangle. We have another triangle here. What kind of triangle do we have here? Look at the sides. What can you say about the sides?
They are equal.
Two sides are equal. Show me the two sides that are equal.
These two sides.
Equal. So we call it an isosceles triangle. Okay, let's see the angles here. What do you think this angle will be? What kind of angle do you think we have here?
Obtuse angle.
Obtuse angle. Let's see. Let's use a measuring angle to see. Yeah, the angle is actually greater than right angle, so it's an obtuse angle. So this triangle is called obtuse angled isosceles triangle.
Obtuse angled isosceles triangle.
Yes, this is an obtuse angled isosceles triangle. What do we call this place?
Surface or area.
What do we call here all the sides together?
Perimeter.
Perimeter. Now, suppose I make my triangle to stand this way. What do we call this part where it's standing?
The base.
The base. Now we need to find the height. Where is the highest point of this triangle?
This is the
Where's the
highest point.
Okay. So to get the height of this triangle, I'll need to get my plumb line and get from a vertical line from my highest point to the base. Now you can see, now you can see here that the base ends here. Or we imagine that we extend the base. Just imagine that we extend the base all the way from here to this place where we have the vertical line touching the table. Can you see it?
Yes.
Yes, so this is the height. This triangle has an external height. So this is the height. Okay. So what do we call this?
The heights.
The height. You can see it has an external height. Show me the base.
The base.
Okay. And I said for this kind of triangle, just pretend that the base is extended, or just imagine that the base is extended all the way to the point where we have this vertical line coming from the highest point. Okay.